it's Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it. We've all got a junk drawer, a drawer full of all types of things: batteries, paper clips, old power cords, little bits and pieces of stuff that on their own are useful, but together they make a mess. It's easy to let our investments accumulate the same way, a stock here, an IRA there, but soon enough, those investments may start to look like that drawer in the kitchen that we avoid opening up. One study found that 25% of financial advice-seeking households had used more than one financial advisor. That percentage goes to 33% for households with $2 to $5 million in investable assets, and 58% of those with more than $5 million. When a portfolio is spread across multiple advisors, it can be easy to lose sight of the big picture. Keeping your investments with one advisor may help keep your portfolio balanced and more diversified. Make sure your investment approach is carefully considered with the big picture in mind. Call today and let's talk about organizing that drawer. I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I would love to talk with you about your financial goals. Until next time, thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.